Welcome to Credentia, your partner for success in nurse aide credentialing. Hello everyone, the CNA 365 platform is a simplified online platform to enroll, register, and schedule exams for nurse aide credentialing. In this video, we will learn how to submit a new testing application form and view the status of the submitted application. Online registration is a quick and easy way to enroll for your exam after you sign up and log into the CNA 365 platform pertaining to your state. You must fill out and submit a new testing application form with your eligibility route details. Upon approval, you will be allowed to schedule and take the exam. On the dashboard or in the application section, click on the Start New Application button to begin. First, choose your eligibility route from the available options. You can click on each available option to read its details and make the right selection. Check the box to confirm that you have read the instructions of the selected eligibility route and click on the Start button to proceed. On this page, depending on your state and eligibility route, you will receive the applicable application form. The application form comprises several sections that need to be completed, and the sections you see may vary depending on the choices you make. Ensure that all mandatory sections are completed before submitting your application. If you require testing accommodation, please provide evidence of your condition in the designated section. Additionally, make sure you fill in all the necessary sections and upload the required documents before submitting the application. Utilize this section to monitor the progress of your application form. Here, you have the following choices for the application form: cancel, save as draft, and submit. If you want to discard the form or begin again, click cancel. If you have an incomplete section and wish to return to it later, click save as draft to save your progress. Once you have provided all the necessary information, click on the Submit button to send the application for review. Do you want to know the status of your submitted application form? Once your application has been reviewed, we send the status notification as well as the details of the further steps to schedule your exam via email to your registered email address. You can also check in your CNA 365 account. Head to the Application tab and locate the Application info box. Here, you will find the status information displayed. To view more details, click on the Summary button. This will allow you to view your submitted application form. Under Application Progress, you can find the status details of your application. Make sure to check the emails you registered with, as we also send notification alerts. For further details or assistance, explore our self-help guides.